ohms, 10 watts. Capacitors visually look good. This is an LG panel. Not Korea anymore. Not for over 15 years. I'm taking these inside. Is that a wireless card? Taking the boards and the speakers, leaving the rest. These might be useful. Amtran board. Some memory chips right there. It's all lead-free soldering. Just kind of crap sometimes. More memory right there. That's really hardcore thermal paste. Just standard microsystems. Something. Set of USB ports on the side. ST chip that the camera focused on really well. You know what we could do? We could hook up the speakers to the TV. So I posted a video of this.